You guys a fan of samurai? I am. Tonight from Transformers Cyberverse, we're gonna draw the Decepticon from Transformers Revenge of the Fallen, Bludgeon. Well, Bludgeon was actually debuted on Transformers Cyberverse. Transformers Cyberverse has always been one of the best channels, even though I've rarely got to see it in live action. Anyway, in Transformers Animated, the fan-made Season 4, Bludgeon was revealed to be a pirate. And in this episode, we're drawing what he looks like. Alright, here are the blaster cannons that stick up in front of Bludgeon's armed cannons. There we are. Here's the grill. The first time I saw Bludgeon was on a episode involving Sean X. Long's toy reviews. I hear he doesn't do that anymore. I don't know what is up with that. He's done a lot in his past couple of years. He shouldn't have to stop. I mean, he should stick to collecting action figures that are not related to shows that he doesn't need to watch. Seriously, he should stick to watching Transformers and Power Rangers and review them. Also, he should review a movie-related stuff. Like Terminator. You remember how popular Terminator was? I still have yet to draw stuff from Terminator. we are. Here are the shoulder pads. That's how we start off Bludgeon. We are. Here are his fingers. Now let's draw the other form up. Let's draw the other points in Bludgeon's body design. Here is his sword. Here we are. Here's his hand. Here's the rest of his hand. And done. Let me just draw the rest of his shoulder pad first. And done. That is how you draw Bludgeon from Transformers Cyberverse. To be fair, Transformers Cyberverse is really one of my first picks for Transformers. I prefer the movie ones better. They just took the G1 versions. They just took the G1 forms and gave them a new perspective and an updated look. Much like Sean Exlon had mentioned, he reviewed Bludgeon in one of his reviews. I too have a Bludgeon action figure right here. His vehicle form is a tank that is seen in the military, and to be honest, Bludgeon is actually one of my favorites. I have a heartwarming taste for Transformers from the Transformers movie, and well, to be fair, I took a liking. I actually like this guy. I like him a lot. Let's see. Now then, shall we get started? I already drew him. Now here comes the fun part. In order to transform him, you just start by removing the tank treads. Then you just take this part here on the tank and split it open. That's the scabbard. Now you just take these parts here, split them. First you gotta take the legs out. Here are the legs. Bludgeon. Bludgeon's legs. Bludgeon. Just take this part and move it down here. Then you just take this here and snap it right into place. Now you just take the arms and move them to the side, roll them down, clip. Do the same thing with the other side. Then you just take this scabbard and place it down here, and then just press down, and this is Bludgeon in his robot form. His robot form has a skull-like appearance, just like on the Transformers look here. Bludgeon is really from the Nest Global Alliance line, and if you collect all three for a sticker sheet, you get Recon Ravage. To be honest, I've never really gotten to taking part in the Recon Ravage arc, so now they just show them on eBay or Amazon, and you can order them just like that. The bad news is, it's worth $1 million. The more toys are priced, the more that toys age, the more jacked up the prices are. Here we have Bludgeon next to his best buddy, one of my favorite Decepticons, known as Long Haul. Long Haul is a lot longer than Bludgeon, and, well, these two should make a perfect team. Long Haul is one of my favorites. So should Bludgeon. They're like one of my favorite vehicles. They're like two of my favorite Decepticons from the Revenge of the Fallen series. I do have the Fallen in my possession, but I'll show you that another time. Anyway, yeah, that is how you draw the Fallen. I meant Bludgeon. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what Decepticon you want me to draw next. Hey, save it for later, Fallen. Anyway, see you soon.